This aquarium is only good for experiment. Now we're planning to build a real aquarium there. Let's start to set this one up. Sample preparation setups there with the old drain cut in half. This is the gravel that I'm planning to put. Let's wash it and put some hole there so that we can drain. I stick live plants there and put some hot glue there so that it hold the plants with a little bit soil. Pretty simple. Nice. %10 water, fill up more. So almost done. I made only very simple setting so that when I clean it, it's easy. There's no any like object that you need to avoid. So just very simple so that simplicity is beauty. Finally, its setup is all done. So that's the one it came out. So I cut my own cover. Before, this one is a black canopy. Now it's clear. Even the top, you can see it. And you can adjust the water flow here now. You don't need to remove the lids. Even the feeder opening, I make it my own. So I cut a half circle there and put some stopper so that it never drop when you try to feed them. A big opener, it fits when you put the food there of the fish. And the way I cut the clear plastic is all sharp, and I cut this part too so that it give open for the wires. This one is for the light. I prepare to put it underneath the light so that there's no any things right here that you see in the top. So put this one back. So I want everything clean at the top. Now if you see it, you can look here in the top. That's the front, the side. I have a old HO scale train there that I cut in 3/4. And this one is the moss plant that's live. I have some still 2 lives here. You see you can tell that they're very healthy. And I have a submerged plant right there too. I stick it there. And that's my little tricky there. It's Tire Company. I just wrote that one. And I have only, I think, 8 little fish. The barb glowfish, danios, and and the rest of there I just only get in the ditch when it's rain outside in my creek. Okay, I think that'll be it. So that's the result. I like it. And when you get from your main door, open the door, this is the always attract to your eyes. I put it in the right side of my wall next to my living room. So I like the result, and I like the one that I bought in Walmart, that shipwreck. And I never know that when I buy one of the pole there, I just noticed that it's broken. I don't have where's the piece, but I like it. It look like very stressed. I just leave it like that. I can deal with it. I'm not gonna exchange it. I just keep that way. And that's all. So it's very straightforward to prepare. Mine is simply, if I clean it, it's a lot of debris that you need to clean or scattered around. So if I clean it deeply, you can just remove this one and rinse all the stone there. So, and scrub a little bit right there in the back or in the front. And that'll be it. That's how I make my very little 10 gallons aquarium. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Until my next one. Bye-bye.